Friday morning, last day of the week. Yay! Week 4, nearly complete. So let's have a look at what we've got today. Great to see so many more secret agents. It's only 8:45 on Thursday morning and I've already got as many as yesterday, so really impressive. Okay, so as you can see what's about to schedule for tomorrow, there are two separate things. So hopefully you inserted for today, Thursday, your travel brochure draft so that you can do your research here on Friday. So let's have a look at the slides firstly. Okay, we have play the video and start your day with a dance. Not how I like to start my day, but some of you. 9 people have a Zoom with Mrs. Walker at 10 a.m. Check there, make sure you pop in. All right, we're going to be looking at your writing today. So this is an accumulation of the week's writing, so it's really important it is done. I have had to fix this up each morning, so it should be good next week. Let's take out the word optional. Let's move you to here. Let's move you to there just to make it look nicer. Beautiful. Okay. Check in. Please do it. We've been pretty good, extra grade, but it's a couple that miss. 10 a.m. cutoff. How are you feeling today? Let us know. Prayer. Please say your prayer. Close that. All right. Reading. Make sure you do it, please. Today is summarizing. Summarizing is a bit more work, but it's one of the easiest. Tell us what's happening in your story. Okay. As you can see here, 10 points. I look at some people's and there's like one line. Okay, research to writing. This week we've been looking at informative text in the form of travel brochures. Yesterday you should have completed your research document and uploaded it to Google Classroom. It is attached to week 4 folder called Travel Brochure Draft. That's what I was talking about at the start of the slide. Today we'll be putting this research into sentences and paragraphs that use the structure of informative text. Let's recap this structure. Sentences, paragraphs, not dot points. Okay, here we've got the structure. Classification, description, conclusion. Today I'll be using the research document from yesterday. Yep, says it all there. It can be found in the week 4 folder. Yep. Oops, what do I got here? The next slide is the checklist. Checklists are awesome, as we will be peer assessing next week. Okay. Here is your checklist. Actually look at it. Have I done this? Yes or no? Have I done that? Yes or no? If the answer is no, go back and do it. Mathematics, 20 questions. Learning intention. What are we doing? We're learning to divide an object or group into equal parts to make fractions. That sounds easy. Okay, using a red line, draw where half would be, blue line where a quarter would be, purple line where 3/4 would be. Nice and simple. Obviously it says here use the line tool. If you can't work that out, just come up with a way to do it. If you get really stuck, draw this beaker in your book and draw it in pencil in a book, okay? Add a slide, insert it there. All right, what do we got? Problem, if I had 12 Kit Kats and I cut each one into quarters, how many pieces would I have? Oh, that's simple. Leading task 1, 6 cups of milk. A recipe needs a quarter of a cup of milk. Not a quarter of 6 cups, quarter of a cup. How many times can I make the recipe? Okay, so 1/4, 4/4 is 1 cup. There's your little hint, work it out. Learning task 2, 12 cups, needs 2/3 of a cup. A little bit harder, but still pretty simple. Visually can help you see this the easiest, but if I work out that 2/3 becomes 4/6 becomes 6/9, so then we've got full amounts there, but I'll let you work out the best way for you. Oh, a Kahoot, nice and simple. Write your best score here. Okay, exit ticket, drag of the face, how are you? Extension task, it's great to see more and more students doing the extension task. There's only 4 questions, it's not too hard. 7 pounds of carrot, okay? Make sure you fill it in and answer your questions. All right, secret word today. Let's go with our special agent word. Let's go with safe. We're going to go with safe. Oh, I struggled to think of a word then. Okay, inferencing. All right. Oh, plastic bags. We know all about this. drag your circles over. Oh, simple one I made today. Drag it over, put it in. Okay, if they can't work, just draw it on. All right, grammar. Make sure you're doing it. I'd marked these yesterday for Tuesday's writing, and it was interesting to see who was still making quite a lot of mistakes. Fill it through, make sure it's done. Okay, where am I? Upload it, Zoom. Let's move that to 10 a.m. Let's move the Zoom. English. Let's put it there. Now people keep asking, where's the Zoom link? It's been here the whole term. Up here at the top. Zoom link there. Make sure you're using it. 5, 6, 7 for maths. 8 for inferencing. Alright, 9 grammar I just looked at. Okay, religion. Alright. Oh, we've been doing this all week. Nice and easy. Deacon. Deacon's the most interesting one because a deacon has a few differences. Okay, roles and responsibility. Interesting facts. What ritual clothing do they wear? Mr. Hale's steam. Okay, you need a paper plate for this one. If you don't have a paper plate, use a bit of paper, use something different. There's 3 different challenges. Obviously, just come up with something that you can use instead. So paper plate, scissors, tape, paper. If you don't have a plate, don't do nothing. Just come up with something. You could cut out a square out of just some old cardboard. I'm sure you've done some online, but parents have done some online ordering. Use a box from that and cut our circle, and then you can make a shape or do something from there. All right, how did your day go? Reflection, submit your work. Guys, have an amazing weekend. You've been doing an awesome job, so really impressed. I nearly forgot. Go back here, let's have a look at the Travel Brochure research thing. So in English, I nearly forgot again. Okay, the scaffold, research writing name. Oh, look. Classification, description 1, description 2, description 3, description 4. They're your 4 body paragraphs. Okay, conclusion. Remember, have a look at the checklist on the Google side to make sure you've completed all the requirements. Put it in here, put your name there, because you need this so that we can share it with your classmates. Super important. Nearly forgot. Okay, have a great weekend, guys.